We are right now in Government High School, Hebbal. Alltech Foundation and People for People, we joined our hand to convert this Government High School, Hebbal, into a net zero water school. When we say this Hebbal government school as a net zero school, what exactly does that mean? During the rain months, we will be leveraging the storage capacity right now, which we are having 27,000 liters of water. So we will use this water during the monsoon months. But I will show you later the trench and boulder which we have done in this open well, which we have done this in school. That will take care of the water demand during the non-rain months. So that basically means that this will cut off a major amount of dependency on the external source of water, which is basically the tanker water, the BWSSP water, borewell water, of course. So Alltech Foundation's Range Bridge Program initiative, we take care of both the solutions, like software solutions is also there, hardware components is also there. When we speak of hardware components, we have an area of solutions. One as such is these aerators and what we call as the water efficient fixtures. So when we started this project, what approach we follow generally is that we start with the daily demand of the kids. So we monitored, we measured, and we found out that the daily demands of the kids in this school, we have 400 students approximately, and their daily demand was 4,000 liters per day. But with our interventions of aerators, taps, the demand cut off to approximately 2,500 liters per day. As you can see, there are 4 buildings surrounding me. We are collecting the water from the rooftop of these buildings, which is total of 8,500 square feet, where we are harvesting annually 8 to 9 lakhs liters of water every year. And it's going into the following some simple filtration, and then it's going into the underground sump. So this water basically does not need elaborate filtration kind of thing. We have installed manual rain gauge in this campus. We have given the training to the students as well as teachers on how to monitor this rainfall, how to chart this. So that's how the children think about where does the water actually is coming from. So that's how we engage and we make the children understand the value of water and how we can harvest it locally instead of getting it all the way from 90 kilometers apart in this Bangalore system. And then also we make them have the value of this low carbon water. What is this low carbon water? When we are getting this water from the tanker water, it's traveling all the way. So there is an energy cost, there is a cost added to this. In this case, we are actually harvesting it locally. So there is no carbon, there is no energy, there is no coal burning or whatever we say to capture this water, because this is, we are blessed, this is the water which we are harvesting directly from the skies. Water from the auditorium. This auditorium is also approximately 500 square meter of area. So what we are doing right now, we are collecting the water from the auditorium into the low-lying area of the school, and from where the water is getting into this boulder trench, as you can see just now. This is the northeast area of this school, where we have kept one open well. Right now you won't see any water in this, but next year you will see enormous amount of water in this into this open well, which will take care of the students' need of their daily water demand during the non-rain months. So that's how we call it Net Zero Water School.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ದಾನಿಶ್ ಖಾನ್. ನಾನು 10ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿ ವಿಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ನಾನು ಇದು ರೈನ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಹಾರ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದು ಹಾಕಿ ಒಂದು 3 ತಿಂಗಳು ಆಗ್ತೈತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಈಗ ರೈನ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಹಾರ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ ನೀರ್ದು ಇದು ಶಾರ್ಟೇಜ್ ಆಗ್ತಾಯಿಲ್ಲ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾಯಿತ್ತು, ಈಗ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಾಗೈತೆ.